Yes, miss.
I need a new housemate.
I'm already working on it.
Maybe one last chance?
No chance.
Oh.
Would you spare some change, please? Huh? Wanted housemate? Wow, this is my chance!
A pimple? Oh no, I must fix it now. Let's go. Fine.
I need this. Perfect.
I can relax. Your face mask, miss. Your coffee, miss. Perfect life.
Nice.
Wow, I'm shiny.
Now I'm ready. Hi.
No, leave.
But I'm here for the job.
Okay, but you need to wear this dress.
Wow.
Now come in.
Thank you. Oh. Whoa. Huh? Oh. Huh.
Hello, miss. Huh? Why did you go?
Oh, I need this.
What's going on here?
Oh no, what have I done?
Don't worry.
Oh,
I have a lot of them. Let's go.
Would you look at this? Whoa. So fancy. Oh, wow, so many clothes. Huh? Whoa, what's this? Wow. What is this place?
Huh? There you are. Hold this.
Huh?
And this? And this? My favorite drinks.
Oh, I want them too. I have many rings too.
What is this? Ew.
Wow. Oh, I think I know what to do. This would be perfect for a photo. Nice, let's post it. My perfect trip. Wow, I've never seen this before. Whoa. Oh. I'm not sure, but...
What? You do everything wrong. Gosh. What are you doing here? Give it to me.
Oh, what's this? Huh? I always wanted them. Oh, come on.
I'm so busy now. Bye.
I'm so sorry.
Never mind.
Here you are.
Take this.
Oh, really? Is this for me? Oh. Whoa.
Luna!
So good.
My money!
Wow. I want to go first. Huh? Yay! Sports car!
Sports car.
Money, 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 money! Oh no! The rules are rules. Here, this is to wipe.
Thank you.
Wow! Ticket to Paris! Ah! Hey, I'm going to Paris!
Girl.
Hi! She's so lucky.
Hello, Miss Harrison. Oh!
Take me to the airport.
Albert, she needs to be taught a lesson. Take her to Paris instead.
Hello, Paris? Wait! Welcome to how?
Ah, you must be Luna. Can I get your bags?
No, thank you. What is this place? Whoa! My money, my clothes! I have to get out of here. What? No signal? Come on, work already! Still nothing? Huh? The tree, that should do it.
Your phone, sir. Oh. Hi, honey.
Hey, Daddy, you have to get me out of here. This is Paris, not Paris.
I can hear you. The taxi will come in.
Daddy? What? Daddy, please! I want to go home. Daddy? He left me in the middle of nowhere.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. Hi, I'm Zach.
I am Luna. Let me go.
We were waiting for you.
What?
Blakey, no! Blakey, come on!
Get away from me! Ew, your duck ruined my dress!
Oh, I know! I've got other clothes for you.
Is this fashionable in Paris?
Okay, come on, I will show you your room.
I hope there is jacuzzi.
This is your room now.
Oh, wow. I wish it was a joke.
Hi. Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Oops, it's mine.
This is awful. I want to go home.
Don't scare him, he's so cute.
This is the worst day ever.
A good lunch will cheer you up.
It better be good. Oh.
There you go, some porridge and a sausage on the top. Breakfast of champions.
I have a bad idea. Oh, wow, this is Instagram worthy. I'm gonna get so many likes. That's how it's done.
Oh no, your iPhone!
I think I have another one.
All right then.
Bon appetit.
Here's your test. And here you go.
Oh, wow! This is my last pen! Oh. Do you have a pen? Yeah. Oh. Huh? Here you are. Wow, this is the coolest pen ever!
Clear your desks and start the test.
Okay. Oh. Hey, can you help me? Oh, yes. Yeah.
Time's up. Hand over your work.
Oh,
Aw, you're my favorite.
Keep the change.
Declined. $1.50 short.
Wait.
Ew, just go.
Hey, Lily, look!
Oh! It was enough for the whole day. Oh!
Hey, miss, can you please give me something?
At least I can help someone.
Thank you so much.
Hey, my kitty boys! Today, I'm gonna show you my beauty routine for going out with my boyfriend. Ready? I'll find ways around.
If you don't have a phone and your baseball skin tone, open clothes are just a dream. Doesn't help your self-esteem. Even if you're part like me, gorgeous queen still can be yummy and still beautiful. Not a cheap place to look cool.
I have to go now. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. It doesn't work. Well, I'm gonna get ready. Oh, I'm out of toothpaste. Oh! I'm coming already.
It's for you.
Thanks.
Let's watch something.
Yes.
Give me your hand.
Okay. Wow. So cool. Is this a diamond for you?
I have something else for you.
What?
Yellow? But I love pink. One ticket. Come in.
Look what I have. Oh, well.
Give me everything you got and the ring.
Okay. It's cheap anyway. My
Shut up.
boyfriend's-
Where's the keys to the car?
Get lost.
Oh, holy crap.
Thank you. What can I do for you? Come to my house. Okay.